Alright guys, this is the national test of the emergency alert system.
This is a test of the National Emergency Alert System. This system was developed by broadcast and cable operators in voluntary cooperation with the Federal Emergency Management Agency, the Federal Communications Commission, and local authorities to keep you informed in the event of an emergency. If this had been an actual emergency, an official message would have followed the tone alert you heard at the start of this message. A similar wireless emergency alert test message has been sent out to all cell phones in the nation. Some cell phones will receive the message, others will not. No action is required.
Get the kids stuff. How about a grand?
See if I can catch it on the FM radio.
A little bit of.
Yeah, you got it too, probably.
I got it on the AM the AM band. Yep. Today's October 3rd, 2018. This is a national test of the EAS on broadcast radio. Bet the EAS is going to interrupt this station, most likely. Or did it already interrupt it? Nothing?
Have one more minute.
Hopefully, let's see if it came on KRCK. No?
A mí me llegó, no sé. Dice. I was one of the ones that I would not get it.
Much of her story is.
A lo mejor no tiene servicio, ¿no? Oh, yeah?
Not about.
I think it already just came out, just the one on 970 kilohertz. I think that's pretty much it. I'm going to set it back to the weather channel.
Pressure was.
I hear WEA. Whose is it? Ooh, we could try and get a preview of that. So people can see what it's like. They just mute the Sanjian, and we'll be right back.
And then the questions.
Unfortunately, we are not able to get a preview of a WEA, so this concludes this national test. See you all later.